Mr. Konbal later had a meeting with the Prime Minister, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. The World Bank chief appreciated the country's developmental programs.
The devolution of power was also discussed. It was decided that there will be further consultations between the two sides. An official spokesman said that the talks between the Prime Minister and the Sri Lankan President continued for more than 4 hours. The talks were held in a warm and cordial atmosphere, and the two leaders met separately as well as with aides. He also answered several questions relating to the draft legislation.
How was your talk with Afghan? We have talked on many subjects, especially about the working of the agreement. We have come to happy conclusions about them.
Happy conclusions?
Yes.
Yesterday you said there are differences between the two countries over the proposed provisional council bill. Do these differences exist, or have they been removed, or have they been minimized?
Differences with whom?
Differences between India and Sri Lanka over the proposed provincial council's bill.
No, those bills are coming up for discussion this week.
Yeah.
And there will be no amendments in them at present.
No amendments. Yeah.
Yesterday you were very critical of the role played by the Tamil Nadu
Yes, that was pre the accord.
That was pre the accord?
Now, I don't know him, but I'm informed by the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi that he is working very sincerely to implement the accord.
Yes. He has publicly supported the accord, I think.
Did he?
And Mr. Ramchandran has supported the accord.
The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has publicly supported the accord. That's right, yes.
That's right.
He's still supporting.
We'd like to have one query about Mr. Prabhakaran, which you mentioned yesterday. You said he would be treated like a common criminal in case he is arrested.
I didn't say common, I said criminal.
Yeah, it's a criminal and tried under the law. I think the president...
So if he accepts the accord, you're giving him amnesty or something?
What?
If he accepts the accord, you're going to give him amnesty?
If he accepts it completely, gives up arms, yes.
जितने खिलाड़ी हैं, दौड़ने वाले हैं, मैं सबको मुबारक देता हूं, क्योंकि आज वो एक तरह से भारत की आज़ादी मना रहे हैं। सबसे जरूरी
Told Mr. Addressing a farmers' rally at Latur in Maharashtra today, he said both the governments are keen to implement the agreement fully.
समझौते पर दस्तखत किया। इस समझौते से श्रीलंका में जितने तमिल लोग हैं, उनकी जितनी मांगे थी, जितनी जायज मांगे थी, जितनी बड़ी मांगे थी, सब पूरी हो गई हैं। एक भी कम नहीं रही। बल्कि जब हम दस्तखत कर रहे थे, उस वक्त भी हमने श्रीलंकन तमिल से बात करी थी और उन्होंने 4-5 नई बातें उठाई थी, वो भी हमने मंजूर करवा दी और वो भी लागू हो गई। तो कोई ऐसी बात बची नहीं। लेकिन तब भी हमने देखा कि एक गुट अलग हो गया, लड़ने लग गया, गोली चलाने लग गया, तो उसे काबू करना पड़ा है। दुख हुआ है, लेकिन तब भी कभी-कभी देश की सुरक्षा को दक्षिण एशिया की सुरक्षा पर ध्यान देकर हमें कड़ी गोली भी, सख्त गोली भी निगलनी पड़ती।
सहित निरापत्ता रक्षी माने सहित मंचरे जोग देवे ओडिशार मुख्यमंत्री निकट वर्तमान शिशु चलचित्र समितिर अध्यक्ष तथा अभिनेता श्री अमल पालेकर उपस्थित अच्छा। आज प्रधानमंत्री मंचरे ओडिशार मुख्यमंत्री श्री जानकीवल्लभ पट्टनायक, शिल्प मंत्री श्री निरंजन पट्टनायक ये देखते वर्तमान ओडिसी पारंपरिक वेश पोशाक प्रधानमंत्री
Children give us all tremendous joy, but what do we give them in return? As grown-ups, we think of many programs. We have the immunization program, we have the ICDS and the midday meal programs, we have the new education policy in schools and colleges, but these are mostly things from our point of view. And perhaps if you translate this to the children's point of view, it will translate into injections and homework, and it won't look that pleasant. What we have to do is to reach out and awaken the child's mind, touch the imagination, and in every way help the child to develop a composite personality. To this end, children's films are very important.
याद है तो आप मुकाबला नहीं